Hello guys, if you have also Samsung Android smartphone and if your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password locked, and if you had applied hard reset method, then after hard reset when you have switch on your phone, then you are getting a such type of welcome pop-up here. You're getting language option, start option and emergency call option. And after hard reset, when if you try to reset your phone and set up your phone, then let's check what happened after hard reset. Either your smartphone has been unlocked or not, I will show you here. So after that, simply you have to tap on this start option and follow all the instruction properly to check either your smartphone is unlocked or not. In this method, make sure that your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here, I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after you have to tap on this next option. So here you can see when I go through the next option, again you can see here after hard reset, the pattern lock has been again asking. So if you had applied pin or pattern lock, that will also show on your phone. So it means after hard reset, you can see here this phone is not unlocked. So simply you have to tap on this use my Google account instead. So let's check what happened. When I tap on this option, you can see here it's asking your Gmail ID or password, or if you have your phone number that you had registered with your Samsung, that if you have that, you have to feed that phone number here. But if you don't have your Gmail ID, password and phone number, so you can see here you're not getting any skip option on this page. So this lock is generally generated by Google to secure your smartphone when your phone is stolen. So if you have your Gmail ID and password, go through that and go to the next option. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you will have to do some settings to your smartphone to get the skip option on this page, because you can see here without skip option you can't tap on this next option and go to the next process. Okay, so with the help of some settings, I will show you how you can get a skip option on this FRP lock option. Okay, so firstly you will have to reach to the starting page again. First of all, you will have to make sure your language should be changed. So from English India to change your language to English US, then go to the next option. Now after that, you have to tap on this start option here, agree to all and go to the agree and go to the Wi-Fi network page. Okay, you can see here this is the Wi-Fi network page. From here you have to switch on your phone's talkback option. For this you have to press the power button and the volume up button, press hold and release to activate your phone's talkback option. Tap on this use and repeat the process again. Now here you have to draw a opposite L to activate your phone's talkback option. Now you have to tap on this while using the app, double tap on this use voice commands, open Google Assistant, open settings. Now when your phone setting option will be appear on your phone display, you have to switch off your phone's talkback options to make some setting changes, because when you don't switch off your talkback option, it won't be work on this process. So switch off your phone's talkback option. Now here you can see the phone is locked. Here the lock pop-up is showing at the top of the screen, you can see here. So this smartphone is locked right now. So you will see at the end of this video, this lock option, lock logo will be disappear from your phone display. Okay, now after this, firstly you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here lock screen option. From this option you will get an option that will show here screen lock type. When you will tap on this option, you can see here it's not working, so don't worry. Scroll down and come to the option that will show here face recognition. Tap on this option. You will get a continue button here. You have to tap on this continue button. So you can see here the another next page has been come, and you have to tap on this continue option 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now after that, simply you have to go to the back option. Now again you will see here about lock screen options. Simply you have to tap on this one and you have to tap on this open source license option. Here you will get a URL. You can see here you will get a URL. Simply you have to copy this URL number. Okay, copy this one, go to the back, again go to the back option. Now all the settings has been done in this setting page option. Simply you have to go to the back and exit from this talkback option and come to the starting page. Now when you again come to the starting page, here you have to make some changes. Firstly, you will have to tap on this emergency call option and dial a USSD code, that is *#0*#. When you will tap on this USSD code, you will get a such type of display where you will get some options, and in this option you have to tap on this version option. When you will tap on this version option, you will get some your phone's versions like model, CSC, CP, AP. So you can see here when you will touch on these options, it's not working. So don't worry. Here in this page you have to wait for minimum 5 seconds, maximum there is no limit. So minimum 5 seconds you will have to wait on this page. When your 5 seconds will be done, so you have to go to the back option. So I think 5 seconds has been already completed. So go to the back option here and come to the starting page again. Now after that you have to tap on this start option, agree to all and agree from this page. Go to the agree and go to this add network option. Now here you will get a setting option, tap on this one. Now firstly you will have to again change your language, manage input language, and switch on this English US and switch off this one. Go to the back and again you have to go to the back option. Now here you will get an option text shortcut. You have to tap on this add option. Here you will have to paste that URL which you had copied, open source license URL code. Then after that here you will have to type *#0* and tap on this add option. Now the things has been done in this page. There is nothing to be changed in this page. Now after that go to the back option and again you have to go to the back and reach to the starting page. Now all the settings has been clearly done. Now after that simply you have to check either your FRP lock has been bypassed or not. So right now you're getting here lock option. Don't worry, let's check. Are you getting the skip option or not? Go to the agree, more, agree. Now you have to tap on this next option. Choose this don't copy option. So you can see here now you're getting here skip option, and you can see here the lock screen logo is disappear from your phone display. It means your phone's FRP has been completely bypassed. Now you can easily skip this page of now you don't need to feed your Gmail ID and phone number in this option. You can easily skip from this option and skip from here. Now after that all the things is simple. If you want to use new pin pattern and password lock, so you can use from this page. And right now I'm using a new pattern lock here, so you can also change your new pin pattern or password. Go to the OK. Now it's a final setup of your smartphone, so you can easily do this with your own. So I'm going to do the final setup of my Samsung Android smartphone. Go to the next, skip from here, tap on this finish, OK, agree, select the language for option here, continue, next, continue, finish. So here you can see the Samsung Android smartphone has been now completely unlocked after hard reset and bypass your FRP lock. So if you think that the after hard reset you can easily unlock your Samsung Android smartphone, so you can see it's not easy. After a hard reset and factory data reset, when you will switch on, you will get a such type of trouble in your smartphone, Samsung and smartphone especially, and this is known as FRP lock issues. So if you also want to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone, so make sure follow the all step very carefully, because if you skip a single step here, then you will comment it's not working, it's fake. So make sure follow all the steps very properly to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. And if you used this method and unlocked your smartphone, then do the like this video, and if you have stuck somewhere, then make us comment. We will definitely respond on your comments. So thank you so much.